Every electric vehicle begins beneath the earth. Lithium forms the heart of modern battery systems. Raw materials move toward purification. Ore is reduced before chemical extraction begins. Purification ensures battery-grade quality. Precision chemistry prepares energy storage material. Materials are secured for transport. The journey continues toward advanced automation. Raw materials enter the manufacturing ecosystem. From here, energy transformation begins. Battery production begins with precise material blending. Exact ratios determine performance and lifespan. Uniform coating ensures consistent energy density. Moisture removal stabilizes internal chemistry. Every millimeter affects final output. Layering defines the heart of the battery. Compression ensures internal stability. Electrolyte enables energy flow between layers. Each cell undergoes controlled activation. Only verified cells move forward. Verified cells are organized for module assembly. Structural frames define the module's shape. Automation ensures identical spacing every time. Electrical pathways connect stored energy. Thermal control preserves battery life. Even cooling prevents performance loss. Sealing shields internal chemistry. Multiple modules combine to form the pack. Modules integrate into a unified energy system. Power storage is now ready for the vehicle. Vehicle structure begins with high-strength steel. Stamping defines the vehicle's outer form. Automation maintains identical geometry. Precision welding strengthens the frame. Structural reinforcement improves crash safety. Every joint supports high-voltage components. Lightweight materials increase driving range. The vehicle now takes recognizable form. Surface preparation ensures flawless finish. Next, protective color defines the vehicle. Precision paint. Precision paint protects and defines the exterior. Heat bonds color to metal permanently. Sealed glass improves aerodynamics and safety. Electrical systems connect every component. Digital control centers power the driving experience. Interior comfort meets structural precision. Energy storage meets vehicle structure. Secure mounting ensures safe power delivery. Initial activation verifies system integration. Now performance testing begins. Before release, every system must be calibrated. Advanced software governs performance and safety. Battery balance determines efficiency and lifespan. Motor control software defines acceleration response. Precision sensors guide driver assistance systems. Stopping power is verified under load. Steering response must remain exact. Interior systems shape the user experience. All digital systems confirm readiness.
Now performance must be proven.
Controlled track testing evaluates real-world performance. Instant torque defines electric power. Stability ensures driver confidence. Emergency response must be immediate. Suspension absorbs real road conditions. Sensors interpret surroundings with precision. Thermal management preserves efficiency. Quiet performance defines electric refinement.
Performance meets strict manufacturing standards.
Confirmed. Performance approved. One last verification remains. Every surface is scanned for microscopic imperfections. Finish quality reflects manufacturing precision. Perfect panel gaps ensure aerodynamic efficiency. Interior craftsmanship shapes the ownership experience. Lighting systems confirm operational readiness.
Proper torque ensures road safety.
Systems undergo one final verification. Final detailing prepares the vehicle for delivery. Identity marks completion. The vehicle is cleared for release. Manufacturing complete. Logistics begins. Surface protection prevents transport damage.
Secured for safe transit.
Production meets distribution. Precise alignment ensures safe loading. Each vehicle is placed. Each vehicle is placed with millimeter accuracy. Transport protocols protect long-distance travel. The journey. The journey continues toward customers. Innovation moves from factory to road. Now ready for final handover. From raw material to finished machine. Every detail reflects manufacturing precision. Technology responds instantly. Software meets craftsmanship. Ready for the road. From factory floor to open streets. Engineered for modern mobility. Built at scale, designed for efficiency.
Innovation powered by precision.
And this is how modern America builds electric vehicles from raw materials to the open road.